Hi guys, welcome to Nem's channel. Today we are going to make this cute little coffee cup together. So let's start it. So first we need to do a magic ring just like this, and then put our hook in, yarn over once again to do one chain. And for our first round we need to do 6 single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. And then for this round we need to do 5 more single crochet. And then after the 6 single crochet we pull this end to close the circle, and then take off our mark. In the mark place we need to do a slip stitch. Put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. Now we do one chain to start our next round. For the next round the pattern is our single crochet increase. Single crochet increase means in the same stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. So we put our hook in the mark place, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. And then in the same stitch we need to do 1 more single crochet. So 1 stitch, 2 single crochet is a single crochet increase. We just repeat it. So after finish the last single crochet increase, we take off our mark. In the mark place we do a slip stitch. Put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round. And for this round the pattern is 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase. We put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. So this is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. And then for next stitch is a single crochet increase. We need to do 2 single crochet in this stitch, and then is a single crochet, 1 single crochet in this stitch, then a single crochet increase, 2 single crochet in the stitch. So we just repeat it. After the last single crochet increase we take off our mark. In the mark place we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then we do 1 chain to start our next round. We put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. In here remember to put a mark. Then for the next stitch we need to do a single crochet increase. We put our hook in, yarn over, and do 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Then for the next 2 stitches we do 1 single crochet per stitch, and the pattern is 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase, and for very last stitch should be 1 single crochet. After the last single crochet we take up our mark. In the mark place we do a slip stitch. Put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round. For the next round the pattern is 3 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. So this is our first single crochet. Remember to put a mark, then put our hook in, yarn over, and go through 2 loops. So for this round we just repeat 3 single crochet, like 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, and a single crochet increase. In the same stitch we need to do 2 single crochet for the single crochet increase, and then we just repeat it to the end. So after finish the last single crochet increase, instead of doing a slip stitch, we do a fixed stitch. We leave about this long and then snip off. So this is our front face. We flip it in the back side, take up our mark, put our hook in the mark place, just like this, the full stitch, and yarn over here. And then this is our very last stitch here. Also from the back, we put our hook in the center of the stitch, like this, only half of the stitch, and then here yarn over. Now we have a fixed stitch. Is this one we just made. It's more organized in this way, and then we just use a needle to weave those in. Now is our cap part. We first do a magic ring just like this, and then put our hook in, yarn over once again, do 1 chain. Then for our first round we need to make 6 single crochet. Put our hook in, yarn over, and go through 2 loops on our hook. Then remember to put a mark. Then we just need to do 5 more single crochet. After the 6 single crochet, we just pull this end to close the circle, and then take off our mark. In the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then yarn over to pull our hook directly. And then we do 1 chain to start our next round. For the next round, the pattern is all single crochet increase. We put our hook in and yarn over here, go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark, and in the same stitch we need to do 1 more single crochet. Single crochet increase means in the same stitch we need to do 2 single crochet, and then we just repeat it. 1 stitch, 2 single crochet to the end. After we finish the last single crochet increase, we take off a mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We do 1 chain to start our next round. Next round pattern is 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Remember to put a mark. And then the next stitch is a single crochet increase, means in this stitch we need to crochet 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And I will just repeat it, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase to the end. After we finish the last single crochet increase, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we do a slip stitch, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. Then we need to do all single crochet around, but only crochet the half of the stitch. We do 1 chain to start, and we only crochet the half that is far away from us. We put our hook into the center of the stitch, just like this, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. So this is our very first single crochet for this round. For this round, I only crochet the half of the stitch, put our hook in the center, only this half of the stitch, and then we just repeat it. After the last single crochet, we take off our mark. In the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. So for the following 3 rounds, we are gonna do the single crochet, our single crochet round, but crochet in the full stitch. We do 1 chain to start. In the mark place, we put our hook into the full stitch, yarn over, out. So after the very last single crochet, we're going to do a fixed stitch one more time. We snip off directly and then take off our mark. We put our hook from back into the mark place and then yarn over here. Also from the back to our put our hook into the very last stitch we made. Put in the center of it, we only do the half stitch like this, and then yarn over here, and then we just use a needle to weave those in. And then for this handle part, we just need to do 6 chain. We first need to make a knot, then yarn over here, and then fasten this one. We do 6 chain. Then as the liquid part, we first make a magic ring like this, and then put our hook in, yarn over once again to do 1 chain. And for this round, we are going to make 6 single crochet. Put our hook in, yarn over, go through the first 2 rows. And remember to make a mark. We just do 5 more single crochet for this round. After the 6 single crochet, we pull this end to close the circle and take off the mark. In the mark place, we're going to do a slip stitch. Put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook. We do 1 chain to start our next round. The next round pattern is our single crochet increase. So in the same stitch, we are going to crochet 2 single crochet in the same stitch. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark, and then we just repeat it to the end. 1 stitch, 2 single crochet. After the last single crochet increase, for this one we just do a basic slip stitch. We put our hook into the mark place and then yarn over, then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. In here we do 1 chain and then snip off. Now we need to fill this first and then glue the top on it. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next time. Bye.